If you are looking for a simple but effective trailing stop, the nBar high-low stop is the solution for you. The nBar high-low stop lets profits run during the trend and exit your position when the trend reverses. It may seem like a very simple tool, but our modified version of this indicator closely follows the price in the trend and gives more room in consolidations to avoid false signals. But before we continue, important thing, remember that this video is for educational purposes only and it's not intended as financial advice. Past performance is not indicative of future results. We got the disclaimer out of the way, so let's continue. What you see is a one of two workspaces provided with this package. In this workspace, you see 1 minute charts of Nasdaq 100 in symbols, and let's maybe start with the RadarScreen. This indicator is really straightforward. It's kind of like, self-explanatory. It shows either long or short position, and so these are two messages that you'll get in RadarScreen. The other messages you'll get is new long or new short. New short is at the same time exit for previous long position, and new long is also exit for previous short position. So how this indicator works, we can take a look at the other workspace. It's called Advantage nBar high-low stop function, EXT. What you see in front of you is a stop line. It's either above the price right here, or below the price. The inputs are really simple. First input is the length. Length meaning the lookback. How many bars into the past are we looking? So right now we have 2. Let's change it to maybe 10. Let's see what happens. So with 10 bar look back, the indicator gives you more space, more room for price, for accommodating the price movement. And you can even go as little as 1, meaning that in this case it will be only looking at the previous low and previous high. Let's go back to the larger number, to 10. Okay, and there's 2 more inputs. The other input is when the position is actually the signal is generated. It's either end of bar or intra bar. The default setting is 1, meaning that the signals are generated end of bar, and the difference. Let's see if we can find a place. Okay, right here. So see that the upper wick of this candle penetrated the stop line. We have it set on end of bar, so the bar ended below. That means that the signal did not get triggered. If we change it to 2, then even even touching this this line will generate the signal and change the direction. And the last input is either for all positions, meaning that kind of like you're 100% in the market with long or short. If we change it to 2, it will only show as a trailing stop for longs. If we change it to 3, then the indicator will turn into a trailing stop for shorts. The cleanest and nicest looking is definitely 1, meaning for all positions. And special bonus with this indicator is we give you the function, so you can use this function in your own trading, in your own to create your indicators, to create your strategies. The syntax is very simple. There's also length, 1 input, then end of bar, intrabar, and all positions long and short. Stay tuned, because we'll be showing how to build a really simple trading strategy using this indicator, and how to optimize two parameters. One will be for showing the trend, the other one will show you signals, but that's in the future. Let's go back to TradeStation. So this is what you get. And also if we go back to RadarScreen and the main workspace, besides the signals, long, short, and the value when it was generated, you also see the profit from the current signal. Let's say Tesla is pretty hot symbol, so let's take a look. It's showing a little over half a percent of profit, but remember that these are only 1 minute bars, so 1 minute candles. So actually 0.5% is pretty decent for this this time frame. And what you see also is a strategy attached to the chart. This strategy is 100% in the market, so you're either long or short. And let's take a look at the strategy performance. So this is current strategy. Well, this is nBar high-low stop strategy for Tesla. It had a little over 80 trades and generated approximately almost $6 of profit. Just remember, this is a really simple strategy. It's not really designed to be live traded, because it's kind of like you would be trading live with one moving average, right? So it's just not it's not as simple, but this will help you to get the feel about this indicator and how it works. Okay, so let's take a look at the strategy. Let's customize. So it's got another input besides length, end of bar, and all positions long and short. It also has a parameter that will let you choose only entries or only exits. So let's say you already have a position and you would like to use nBar high-low stop as your trailing stop, so you can change it to 3, meaning it will only exit your position, it will not generate a new position. And let's say you want to exit short, right? So that's that how it would work. And of course you can change the length, the lookback. It has also, you can use it in scanner. It can generate you a it will generate you alerts. You can, and that's pretty much it for this indicator. To request access to this indicator, go to advantagetrading.net, hit TradeStation indicators, nBar high-low stop is the first from the top, request a free trial, and fill out the form, customer number, network ID, your email, and hit order, and we'll get back to you within 24 hours. Usually sooner than that, but we sometimes we will get back to you on the weekends, but usually we spend time with families. So if you don't hear from us on Saturday, on Sunday, it's normal. We're normal people. We have our lives too. So we'll send you an email on Monday. Okay, so let's go back here. This is a really good tool for trending markets. If when you catch the big wave, this is an indicator that will let you ride this this wave for a long time, and thanks to and because the function is available, you can add this tool to your trading toolbox and decide if you like it, and use it to create new indicators or to use it in your strategies. That's it for today. Remember that this was only for education purposes only. Make sure you do your own research and check your whatever settings you decide to use. Check on different time frames, different symbols, different bars, to make sure that that the combination that you chose is robust and it will help you generate more profit. So yeah, thanks for now, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks. Bye.